Fellow traders, listen up. Get ready for an adrenaline-pumping extravaganza that will test your trading skills like never before. Remember the last King's Cup Global Invitational. Over 32,000 traders, 200 teams, and a whopping 565,000 USD in rewards. This time, Bitget is back, and it's bigger, better, and bolder than ever before. Brace yourselves, because we've pumped up the prize pool by nearly 400%. Yes, you heard it right. More prizes, more excitement. Get ready for 4 upgraded competitions that will push your trading prowess to the limits. It doesn't matter if you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, Kcgi is the ultimate battleground for every trading enthusiast. And wait for it. The total prize pool, a jaw-dropping 2,650,000. Join the trading revolution, be a part of history, and showcase your skills to the world. Mark your calendars and get ready to conquer the crypto world. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Follow us, like, and share to spread the word. Together, let's make Kcgi the most epic trading event ever. Visit our website for more details and registration. Let's trade, compete, and win big at King's Cup Global Invitational. See you there, traders.